time it takes a radio signal to get to and from Mars, a lot can happen. NASA's problem: they needed autonomous robots and spacecraft that could think for themselves, learn on the fly. Researchers in the Cognitive and Neural Systems Department at Boston University were developing a solution. NASA Langley Research Center scientist Mark Motter read about their research. He contacted the team for help in developing a software controller for rovers that could autonomously explore Mars without input from controllers on Earth. Their Boston company was called Neurala, founded in 2006 by Max Versace, Heather Ames, and Anatoly Gorshey. Motter facilitated NASA funding for the group. This NASA-funded research was a natural fit with Neurala's core technology. The Neurala system can process its surroundings locally, entirely on device, bypassing cloud-based supercomputers of other AI systems. And it crunches data using GPU graphics cards as neural processing engines that are faster and well-suited to emulate aspects of biological cognition. Neurala transitioned its technology from space-relevant research into real-world products, developing the Neurala Brain and Neurala VR systems. Motter and Neurala used these tools to enable unpiloted aerial vehicles that could fly on their own and avoid collisions. In 2014, with additional private funding and a NASA matching grant, Neurala created apps for consumer robots and drones, including Parrot's Jumping Sumo and the DJI Phantom drone. On-device computing is an advantage in manufacturing as well, where an assembly line may have 100 items passing every minute, making visual inspections for quality control difficult.
Now your job is to take each piece of candy and wrap it in one of these papers and then put it back on the belt.
Today, the company focuses on industrial visual inspection systems. VIA enables manufacturers to train AI models directly on production lines, allowing rapid adaptation to new products and defect detection without extensive retraining. Neurala sees its real market as designers and manufacturers who can use its Brain for Bots software kit to build their own apps for the Neurala Brain. NASA's early support helped Neurala develop their tools the right way, and it's paid off through the years. Neurala's technology has been deployed in approximately 80 million devices worldwide. Neurala Brain, space-enhanced technology, improving machine control here on Earth. Today, we induct into the Space Technology Hall of Fame, Neurala Brain. Since 1988, Space Foundation has honored the organizations and individuals whose ingenuity, innovations, and energies have changed our world for the better. From life-saving medical devices to everyday consumer products, space exploration has provided all of us here on Earth with an enormous range of things we rely on every day. In climate science, agriculture, renewable energy, transportation, healthcare, public safety, communication, biology, computer technology, the tools and techniques we've developed to get into space have paid off by improving daily life for everyone. Who knows where space technology will be put to use tomorrow? But join us today in welcoming the microgravity treadmill and Neurala Brain, the 2026 class of the Space Technology Hall of Fame.